Namaskar students. In this video we will study three topics of the lesson number 15, features of developing economy, what is economic activity and what is non-economic activity. So let's start the important short note, the features of developing economy. Different nations of the world is divided into two categories from the economic point of view. First, the developed nation, and second, the developing nations. And this division is based on the per capita income of the country. What is the per capita income? I already explained in my previous video. Total national income is divided by the total population of the country. So we get the per capita income, per head income. So as per the World Development Report of 2004 of the World Bank, those countries, the per capita income is less than $735. That country categorized as developing economy country. So let's start the different nine features of these types of country. So the first, the less per capita income. As I told, those countries, the per capita income is less than $735. That country is categorized as the developing economy country. So per capita income, the per head income is less. So the living standard of the people of this country, the lifestyle of the people of this country is also very less. Next point, the population growth. The population growth of this country is very high, 2% or more than 2%. For example, 100 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन है, एक साल के अंदर 102 करोड़ और 10 साल के अंदर 120 करोड़. So the population growth of this country is very high in these types of country. Next point, depends on agriculture. 60% of the people of this country dependent direct or indirect on the agriculture, and the 26% of the national income comes from the agriculture. देश अगर 100 रुपया कमाता है तो 26 रुपया 26 rupees comes from the agriculture. So the contribution of the national income is 26% from the agriculture. Next point, the unequal distribution of income. In the starting of this chapter, I explained and we studied one introduction that every person's life, every person's day start in a different style, in a different way. Some person have the very luxurious and very materialism lifestyle, and some persons struggling from a meal of a day. So because of the unequal distribution of the wealth. For example, the 20% of people get 40% of national income, and this is the rich people, and 20% of the people get only 10% of national income, and this is the poor people. So it's create a gap between rich people and poor people. For example, 20 लोगों के पास 20 लोगों का जो 40 रुपया है वो 20 लोगों के बीच में कंट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. So every person gets 2 rupees and 10 rupees the contribute between 20 people. So individual, every person gets only 50 paisa. So it creates the gap between the rich people and poor people. So in this country, these types of the country, the distribution of the wealth, the distribution of the national income is unequal. The next point is unemployment. Unemployment मतलब बेरोजगारी. In these types of the country, the unemployment percentage, the ratio of the unemployment is 3% or more than 3% labor unemployment. And there are also the different types of the unemployment: seasonal unemployment, disguised unemployment, industrial unemployment, and we will study very deeply in the next economic chapter what is unemployment and types of unemployment. In this topic you have to remember only that the unemployment ratio, the unemployment percentage is very high, 3% or more than the 3% in these types of country. Next point, poverty, garibai. In this country, the basic necessity is also not satisfied. Food, clothes, shelter, transportation, telecommunication, education, medical facilities, this is basic necessity. These facilities not satisfied in these types of the country. 1/3 portions of the people of this country, 33% the people of this country living in below poverty line. So this is the features of the developing economy nations. Next point is dual economy. In this country, one side, that is the backward farming, old machinery, orthodox, less production. So that is, we can say, the negativity of this country. And other side, the same country has the very modern industries, modern lifestyle, new production. So this is a dual type of economy. ऐसे देशों में एक जगह पे बहुत ही ऐसी हाई लाइफस्टाइल है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बहुत ही अच्छा है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बहुत ही अच्छा है, लोगों के पास अपने अपने पर्सनल चार्टर्ड प्लेन है, बहुत ही महंगी महंगी गाड़ियां हैं, और वही देश के अंदर कुछ लोगों के पास एक वक्त के खाने के लिए भी बहुत ही स्ट्रगलिंग करना पड़ता है. सो वी कैन से द ड्यूअल टाइप ऑफ द इकोनॉमिकल, वेरी हाई लाइफस्टाइल and modern machinery, modern lifestyle and modern industries, and other side the backwardness, the backward type of the lifestyle, orthodox of type lifestyle and old machinery. So that is the dual type of economy, that is the features of these types of the country. Next point, insufficient infrastructure facilities. The infrastructure facilities like education, transportation, communication, the electricity, health facility, medical facility, banking facility, these types of the facilities, we can say the lacking of these types of the facilities, बहुत ही कमियां होती है ऐसे nations के अंदर, not a proper manner, not a proper way. These types of the facilities is very less, or the lacking of this facility of different infrastructural facility and education, health, and that is related facilities that is very less or lacking of these facilities. And the last point of these features is the form of international trade. This country mainly export the agriculture or agro products and import machineries, mineral oils, petroleum, very costly products. So import these types of the products and export agriculture product and agriculture related, mainly export the agriculture or the agriculture related products. So the foreign debt is also increasing because of these types of the international trade. So these are the 9 features of developing economy countries. हालांकि ये सारे फीचर्स हमारे ही देश के हैं ऐसे नहीं है, बहुत सारे जो फीचर्स है हमारे देश को बहुत ही इफेक्ट करते हैं, बहुत सारे जो फीचर्स है वो नहीं भी करते हैं. मीन्स these are the features of the developing economy nations of the world. So these all 9 features you have to write down with point wise in your notebook. Next is very simple topic and a very easy topic, the economic activities and non-economic activities. From which activity we get money, we spending money, we purchase the products, we purchase the commodities, and we give the money instead of that is the purchasing the commodities. So that activities is known as the economically activities. जो काम धंधा करते हैं, नौकरी करते हैं, जो पैसे कमाने के लिए अलग अलग एक्टिविटी करते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉक्टर्स, टीचर्स, लॉयर्स, लेबरर्स, these all activities are the economically activity. मतलब पैसे कमाने के लिए एक्टिविटी जो करते हैं, that is the economically activity. And non-economically activity, the purpose of this activity is not earn the money. The purpose of this activity is not getting the money, only the social service and only for the human welfare, and that type of the activity is known as non-economically activity. For example, mother nurture the child, mother takes care the child, the different social service, these types of the activities included in non-economically activity. जैसे एक आया रखी है बच्चे को ब्रॉटअप करने के, लेकिन वो मंथली पैसे लेती है, तो दैट इज द इकोनॉमिकली एक्टिविटी. दोनों में काम सेम है. माँ भी एक बच्चे को ब्रॉटअप करती है, टेक केयर करके नर्चर करती है उसको, और एक आया भी उसको संभाल के उसको ब्रॉटअप करती है. बट द एम इज डिफरेंट. द आया एम इज टू अर्न द मनी, बट द मदर एम इज अ डिफरेंट. सो दिस इज द difference between the economically and non-economically activity. So I hope you understand all these three topics: features of developing economically, economic activity and non-economically activity. In the next video we will study the factors of production and the the structure of our Indian economy. Thank you.